Replacement windows in Platte City, Missouri aren't just about looks. They should keep your home comfortable and your energy bills low. That's why Midland Exteriors installs Infinity from Marvin fiberglass windows. Our fiberglass windows are tough enough for every season. Made with fiberglass 8 times stronger than vinyl, they won't warp or weaken. The frames stay solid, the glass stays sealed, and your windows keep performing year after year. No matter what the seasons bring, our windows are ready. Summer heat pushes windows to their limits. Ordinary glass lets the sun pour in, and weak frames warp. Infinity windows reflect harsh rays and help keep your home cool and steady. When winter settles in, the challenges flip. Drafts sneak through old frames, and warmth slips away. Fiberglass contracts with the glass, locking seals tight so your home stays warm and comfortable. Now, spring keeps you guessing with warm afternoons and chilly nights. Insulated glass units act as a cushion, smoothing out the swings so your home stays balanced without constant thermostat changes. And then comes fall. Never quite sure if it's summer or sweater weather. Advanced weather stripping and strong fiberglass frames block outside air, keeping energy use low and comfort high. Of course, even the best windows need the right installation. That's why expert crews and careful workmanship matter. A proper fit ensures your windows last and perform exactly as they should. With the right replacement windows in Platte City, Missouri, tough weather turns into easy savings. Call Midland Exteriors today for your free estimate.